Don't touch it.
कैमरा लगाया हुआ है इधर पुलिस वालों ने.
Let's find the witch hut.
Or something. Look.
I'm so scared. It's a dead end. Blueberries. I'm wrestling with the grass.
You see some witches' huts?
Yeah. Do you want to see it?
आइए आज आपको लेकर चलते हैं जहां हम कभी-कभी वॉक पर जाते हैं.
Collecting flowers.
To collect flowers. Look at this amazing place.
It also has those plants that pinch you.
Pinch you?
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Like there. Over there.
Which ones?
There. Look. Those bushes there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we better do not go close to them. I don't want to get pinched.
Sometimes I got pinched.
Uh,
Even you. Right?
yes, right. तो चलिए आज आपको दिखाते हैं अपनी वॉक का नज़ारा. I just did a hole there.
Why the grass keep hurting me? Wrestle you, grass. I'm wrestling with the grass because they pinch me. They hurt me.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Where's the stick gone? Should be here somewhere.
Found it.
Oh, you found it. Very good. Now do the another hole next to it here somewhere.
Ooh. This one.
Just put it in that hole.
This one first.
Okay, this is two. Yeah, do it.
Two that we found.
Let me make it shorter. Shall I?
No.
No. Okay. Pull from the back. Hold it. Yeah, that's it. Now put the tape in the back, please. Alright. Looks good.
Yeah.
Now do another hole.
Yeah. Daddy, what about you do two and then a gap, two and then a gap?
Two and then a gap. We can do that.
Break tape. Have you stopped filming it?
No, still filming.
Oh.
Done?
Yeah. Looking good.
Chalo. Let's find more.
Let's find the witch hut.
Let's find the witch hut. Come on. Oh, you have white flower also. Look.
Oh.
These ones.
Are there crickets here? Because it's a big space, right? There should be.
That's what you were saying next to each other?
What?
Two and
Two
two?
next to each other and then a gap. Two next to each other and then a gap.
Yeah.
Then we draw like a vase looking.
Oh, look. Buddhi Mai.
Huh?
Buddhi Mai.
What the? What's it?
This one. You remember this one?
No.
The one you are catching. These are the
Don't
one.
even think about it.
Why? Why?
I don't want those flowers there. They are.
What about these?
We already collected.
Oh, we already did. Yeah, very good.
Daddy,
Huh?
no more.
These ones? No. Oh, look. You see?
My favorite.
That's what I was saying to you. You want these ones?
No,
No?
no. Oh, look, I found another one. Look, Daddy. Pink one here. Look, Daddy.
Yeah.
Look. We haven't collected this.
Hold it.
Daddy,
Huh.
big gap, remember?
Yes.
We already...
Now I'll do this too together like this. Then I'm gonna put the gap. This like this.
Like this.
Like this.
Because you have the stick in it.
Yeah. Shall we go ahead?
Yeah. Let's find the witch hut.
Or something. Such a tiny insect, very cool.
Oh! Yeah. Here. I saw it. There.
What is this? ये क्या चीज है? अगर किसी को पता है तो बताइए. This one.
Is that a scorpion? Is that a baby scorpion?
I don't know, bro. but it's moving.
Don't touch it.
Look like a tiny
Looks like a scorpion.
snake
It looks like a
और
scorpion.
सेम कलर का ही है. इसको नहीं छेड़ते हम, इसको रहने देते हैं. Where is the stick gone? Oh, it's here too. Here,
Oh,
pull that thing.
look, it's a witch hut.
Where is witch hut?
There. Can you see that brown brick set and the black and black?
That's not a witch hut. That is someone's back garden.
Daddy, can you hold it straight for me?
I can hold it for you.
Let's go very further ahead.
Very further ahead. Let's go.
Daddy,
Ji.
let's go like 100 miles. Don't worry, those are not crickets.
Here is your witch's house. Red witch's house. This is someone's back garden. Come on.
Witch's hut.
Witch's hut.
Hut. Hut, hut, hut.
They closed for a reason. How's the weather?
Meh. Kinda.
Oh.
Kinda great.
What's that?
Not berries.
Berries?
Nope. There's something else. But poisonous. Akko! 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 It's like someone drizzling.
Yeah, that's the sound of electricity. Because it's very strong. This is going on the top. This one is going on the top. But this one's going back. Down. So let's go this way. Shall we?
Yeah, please. I like going up hills.
Then we will go uphill.
When I will be around 20, I want to go rock climbing.
You want to go rock climbing when you grow big?
Yeah,
We can try before that.
I'm so scared.
You don't need to scare. I'm with you.
Where
This
should
one-
we go? There or there?
This one's going down. This one's going up. And straight ahead.
It's a dead end.
This is not dead end. This is cottage bottom fields. So it's better if we go this way. Let's go up. What's that?
Blueberries.
So they look like blueberries, but they are not.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
My mommy likes collecting these stuff like cherries and stuff like that. Like some, like blueberries,
Who?
grapes. Mommy!
Mummy likes collecting these kinds of berries, eh?
My mommy.
Your mummy likes to collect these kinds of berries?
Yeah. Like all types of fruits.
Huh?
From trees and from bushes.
Huh?
From anywhere. My mom said she was collecting lots of in Romania.
She's a berry collector.
Fruit collector.
Fruit collectors.
Look, the houses. There are houses.
Show me where are the houses.
There,
Huh?
on the left.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at these plants. Can even find them in the beach.
These are not that one, isn't it? Which contract when you touch them.
No,
They close. It's not that one, yeah?
no. That is called a Venus flytrap.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
It is green and has a mouth.
Yeah, I didn't.
It has a sticky mouth.
Thank you very much. I didn't know about that. Thanks for letting me know.
I even got it in Infinite Craft.
Infinite Craft?
Yeah, I even got it there.
Minecraft?
No,
Huh?
Infinite Craft.
What is that?
It's a game where you can craft infinite stuff.
तो गाड़ी हमने
I lost my
वहाँ कहीं
place.
लगाइए नीचे, और यहाँ से हम होते हुए ऊपर आ गए हैं। थोड़ी सी वॉक हो जाती है, थोड़ी सी ट्रैकिंग हो जाती है।
We lost our track.
We lost our no, we don't.
Huh?
We don't. So basically ये वो, let me zoom in. ये वो फेंस है जो मैंने बोला था कि ये
I
इन्होंने
can see the fence from
बंद
there.
किया हुआ रास्ता।
I can see the fence. It's over
तो
there.
हम काफ़ी ऊपर आ चुके हैं। Let's go more. Let's explore more. Shall we?
Yeah. When are we gonna find new flowers?
We're gonna find it. I can see one red.
Ooh.
इसमें कंडे हैं भाई, मैं तो नहीं ले रहा पंगे।
What? What?
It has thorns in it.
Oh.
हमें मोस्टली आधा घंटा हो गया चलते चलते। Gyansh, are you tired? Are you tired?
I think it's been like 19 and a half hours.
It's only half an hour. Look, there is a bench. We can sit there.
It's Mount Everest.
This is not Mount Everest. बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है, काफी ऊपर खड़े हैं ना। ये देखिए कार्डबोर्ड कैसे उड़ रहा है हवा से। Look, इसलिए वापस जाना ठीक रहेगा। धीरे धीरे वापस चलते हैं। ये भी थोड़ा थक गया लगता है। कैमरा लगाया हुआ है इधर पुलिस वालों ने। लुक एट दैट। अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ। लुक लुक, देयर इज अ कैमरा। एक ये है और एक वो है, सेफ्टी के लिए। क्योंकि एक हिसाब से तो है डेंस्ड है ना पूरा। अच्छी बात है। थक गया है, थक, इसलिए ऐसा कर रहा है। चलो लेट्स गो होम, कम ऑन, देयर इज द कार।